If you're looking to strengthen your core, the bird dog is a great exercise to do just that, especially if you have back pain. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the bird dog correctly, as well as the different variations and the most common mistakes. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome to Good Rehab. It's Keith Nunez here, Doctor of Physical Therapy. So to do the bird dog, you want to get on all fours with your hands directly underneath your shoulders and knees directly underneath your hips. Make sure your spine is all aligned from your neck down to your butt. Keep your head facing down rather than trying to look up. Then contract your core muscles by drawing in your abdomen, and then we're going to maintain that core tight. Then from here we can do some different variations. We can alternate lifting one arm at a time. We can alternate lifting one leg at a time. Or to make it the most challenging, we can lift the opposite arm and opposite leg. Now, if this is too hard for you right now, try this modified version where you use an elevated surface like a table. So instead of being on your knees, you're standing and supporting yourself on the table. So you still want to maintain that spine in alignment, engage that core, and then do one of the different variations I mentioned earlier. Now let me explain 3 common mistakes people make when doing the bird dog. So number 1 is not starting off with the spine in its neutral alignment. You don't want to round out your back or have your back hyperextended or caved in. So keep that spine in neutral as you do this exercise. And this leads me to my next point. So number 2 is allowing your back to hyperextend when you lift that leg up. This could irritate your back eventually if you do a bunch of it. And try to maintain that neutral spine by contracting that core to stabilize it. And then this should keep your back from moving when your leg moves. And then similarly, the third common mistake is hiking your hip as you lift that leg. So sometimes people will rotate their lower back and pelvis to lift that leg high enough, but that can also irritate your back eventually, so be conscious of not rotating in any direction. Having a strong core is essential for everybody, whether you have back pain or not. So if you want to see me explain more core exercises, check out this playlist over here, and I'll see you in the next video.